House Resort, decorating for the holiday season. Doing some decorating for the holiday season in the main room and in the dining room. And I have some before and after photos. And I love before and after photos. This is how it looks like now. And this is how the living room looked like after I moved over the photos and vases and I started decorating. And this is the dining room table with the side table that I usually use as a buffet table. It all starts with all the Christmas tree clippings that I pick up when we go get our Christmas tree. There is a ton of branches and I pick up a few. Here's what I'm working with, some of the clippings, and they are to go up there. So I'm just putting them up to see how thick or how thin they need to be in different corners, but I think I love the idea of the branches actually hanging out like that. Yeah, I think I like that very much. I think I'm gonna make it look fuller, so I have to go outside and get more. I went and got my gardening gloves because I'm getting sap all over me. So I'm gonna clip some smaller ones just to fill out some of the gaps I see, just to make it look fuller. Okay, and here are some pine cones and some faux berries and bows, and I'm not sure what and how I am going to arrange them, but I'm just gonna play around and see how it's gonna look like. I might do a couple of different looks, lights, pine cones, or also some figurines, some Christmas Santas and angels up there, or candles. Let's see. Okay, I think this is it. I think that looks very nice. I like it. And it actually, really, I should say, this didn't cost me anything. The clippings were from the garden center, from all the pine trees they were selling, Christmas trees they were selling. And the pine cones and the berries are from last year's Christmas wreaths that I had bought, and these were the trimmings around the wreath. So I kept them because they were so beautiful. Now I get a chance to use them again. Okay, to give it more color and sparkle, I am going to add some of my Christmas tree ornaments and very colorful Christmas balls right in between all the branches. And even if you don't have the pine cones and the berries, this just be perfect way to make them shiny, sparkly, and very, very colorful. So I'm going to start adding them in. And this is with adding some Christmas ball ornaments right in between the branches. It gives it more color and more brightness and more sparkle, I think. And I think this is the final touch. I really like the way this looks all together. The branches, pine cones, the berries, and the beautiful, colorful Christmas ball ornaments. Okay, and just to add more ideas to this project, in case you don't have any of the things I'm showing here, pine cones, the berries, the Christmas balls, you can use candles, votive candles, strings of lights. You can use mercury candle holders in really nice bright colors of red and green, the deep green, gold, and plaid. I think that would be very beautiful. And if you don't want to do the votive candles, you can just do strings of lights. And I think that would be beautiful also. This is how it looks with all the candles lit up. And this is just a different look with these tiny Christmas trees. They're very colorful and sparkly. Those would be nice. Or also with just a couple of plants. That would be a different look too. Okay, here is the fireplace mantle with pine cones and berries and some beautiful myrtle holders in different colors. And I can change it around if I need the candle holders, the votive candle holders. I can pick these up, put them somewhere else, and it still will look very pretty, even with the Christmas ball. Just alone by itself, with the faux berries and pine cones, I think it looked really beautiful. Now with another look, I thought I had bought these small poinsettia plants, and how pretty they are. And I think it was a good idea to buy them in a small size like this. I have the bigger ones down below. They're like 4 times this size. But these are so easy to move around. I can put them on the dining room table, on a buffet table, on the stairs as guests come in, my family members come in. But I was thinking that maybe I can put a different look if I'm tired of this, which I absolutely love it. I don't think I will get tired. I can put like 3 in one corner like that. Just like that, just play around with it. Just to show you a different look. If you don't have the pine cones, you don't have the berries, maybe you have some lights or some Christmas balls. I mean, this was all free Fraser fir clippings, and these are all from my Christmas wreaths from last year that I got from Costco for $19. So I took these out when the wreaths were just old, you couldn't use them anymore, and store them. So now I'm using them as trimmings for this beautiful fireplace mantle. So you can do this. Also, just use plants, and these are not much, maybe $4 or $5 for a plant, and just put them all around. Gotta move over there before I have to break my neck. And I can have them like 2 here, like that. I just love these plants. They're so beautiful, so Christmassy, beautiful, bright red. It just so cute. And like I said, just put them all around the house, on the stairs, inside, or in different bedrooms, on the nightstand. It just makes everything look so pretty. You don't need anything more. It's very Christmassy. So I can have 2 there, or maybe spread them, like put 1 here, 1 there, and 1 there. Just for a different look. Okay, I'm going to do something similar to the living room in the dining room on this table. It's usually my buffet table, where I have desserts and plates. And I'm going to start working with my branches and then some trimming. Okay, I'm done with the branches. I think they're thick enough. I'm going to add some plants. That looks good. And just little by little add some candles, some Christmas balls, some ornaments, and some berries. That looks good now. And here's to show you how they all look together. Same thing as I did for the living room. So I added pine cones, the faux berry, some Christmas balls in beautiful colors, and votive candles in mercury, mostly the gold and the silver, and I also added the poinsettia plants. And I can move the poinsettia plant and they still will look good, or even the Christmas balls. I'm going to move my camera so you can have a better look of how it looks like. Hopefully I won't drop the camera. There. Looks good, doesn't it? Even if I move the poinsettias, the color, taking away the red color, would still look gorgeous. Even if I take the votive candles, it would still look nice. And I can still have my pedestal cake stand, and I can put my dessert plates there and some of my serving spoons, and I think it would still look nice. And again, just to add more things to the table, just to give you different looks, just ideas, plants, candles, Christmas balls. You can even have tall candle holders and Santas and different ornaments. Looking beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun redecorating my house for the holiday season, making it look beautiful, lovely, and just perfect for this time of the year. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a lovely holiday season and be safe. Thank you for watching.